Adhira, who was studying in the 5th grade, got ready for school and left after bidding farewell to her mother Arasi and her father Vallarsan. That day in her class, the teacher, at the end of the session, told all the boys and girls, "Tomorrow, when you come to school, write and bring a special essay about Vijayatasami." Since she did not know about Vijayatasami, Adhira decided that once she reached home, she would ask her mother, learn about it, and then write the essay. She went and asked her mother. But her mother said, "I don't have time to explain to you, I have a lot of work. So, once your father comes, ask him and learn about it," and went inside. Just then, when her father returned home from the office, Adhira asked him, "Dad, please tell me about the Vijayatasami festival. I need to write an essay about it." "All right," said her father Vallarsan, as he sat down next to his daughter. "I'll tell you about the Vijayatasami festival. Listen carefully. Vijayatasami is a Hindu festival celebrated in various ways. It is also called the Shehra, Adhira," he said. "Is that so, Dad? Please tell me more," she asked eagerly. "All right, Adhira," said her father and began to explain. Vijayatasami is a festival that signifies the victory of good over evil. Vijayatasami is celebrated on the 10th day after the new moon day of the Tamil month of Purattasi. The 9 days preceding it are celebrated as Navratri. To destroy the cruel demon Mahishasur who tormented the world, the wise and powerful goddess Durga incarnated. After a battle that lasted for 9 days, goddess Durga slew Mahishasur. The whole world celebrated this victory with joy. That very day came to be known as Vijayatasami. Since the battle lasted for 9 days, this festival is also celebrated in many places as Navratri and the Shehra. Moreover, special prayers are conducted on that day for all the incarnations of goddess Durga. Adhira asked in surprise, "Is that so, Dad?" "Yes, Adhira," her father said with a smile and continued. In Bangladesh, the idol of goddess Durga is placed in a pavilion and celebrated as a grand festival. In Telangana, this festival is grandly celebrated under the name Bathukamma by welcoming goddess Durga with flowers. Bathukamma is a beautiful floral arrangement, structured in the shape of a tower with 7 layers, made from different kinds of flowers that possess medicinal properties. Moreover, Mahagauri, the guardian goddess of women, is worshipped in the form of Bathukamma. During Navratri, the Bathukamma festival is celebrated for 9 days. In Mysore, during the rule of the kings, it was customary for the king to take a procession on this day riding on a decorated elephant. This was called the Dasra procession. Along with this, cultural programs were also conducted. Even today, that tradition continues. In the Mahabharata, one of the epics, the Pandavas lost everything including their kingdom, power, and rule. After completing 12 years of exile in the forest and 1 year of life in concealment, it is said that they retrieved the weapons they had hidden on the day of Vijayatasami. In the Ramayana, Ravana abducted Sita. When Rama asked him to release Sita, Ravana refused. As a result, in the battle that followed, Rama destroyed Ravana and achieved victory on the day of Vijayatasami. In North India, this day is celebrated as the festival of Ramlila. Large crowds gather and burn the effigies of Ravana and his family, commemorating the victory of Rama. In Tamil Nadu, on the day of Vijayatasami, children are enrolled in school. It is believed that if one begins learning music, musical instruments, dance, a new language, or even starts a new profession on this day, they will receive the full blessings of goddess Saraswati. On the previous day, Navami, goddess Saraswati is worshipped, and prayers are offered to books and musical instruments. On the next day, Dasami, Ayudha Puja is performed, during which tools of profession and vehicles are worshipped. Thus, the Vijayatasami festival is celebrated in different ways in different places. But its true meaning is this: the evil qualities, the demon, within us are to be defeated by the good qualities, the divine power, within us. That is the real significance of Vijayatasami. After finishing his explanation, her father asked, "Now do you clearly understand about the Vijayatasami festival?" "Yes, Dad, I understood it well," Adhira said happily. Saying, "All right," her father went inside. Adhira beautifully wrote down what her father Vallarsan had explained as an essay. The next day, she submitted that essay to her teacher. The other students also submitted their essays. After reading the essay written by Adhira, the teacher praised, "It is excellent," and also awarded her a prize. Receiving that prize, Adhira happily returned home.